This intense love magnet meditation will make anyone that you desire become madly in love with you. This will work and everything will change in the best way for you. After listening to this, they will not be able to resist your love and they will become so grateful to be with you. Now let's begin. I am confident that they love me. They find me extremely attractive. They love me just the way I am. They are madly in love with me. They love me so much. They always brag to everyone about how much they love me. They love me inside and out. Their love for me is obsessive. They love going on dates with me. They love showing me off. They love flirting with me. I make them happy and they enjoy being with me. They love my positive energy. The more they learn about me, the more they love me. They love my intellect. They love the conversations they have with me. They love my confidence. They love me for who I am and for who I am becoming. They love just being in my company. They love waking up next to me in the morning. They love how great we get along. They love how I make them laugh. They love asking me questions about myself. They think it is so easy to love me because I am so lovable. They love how easy it is to be around me. They love just being in my life. They love that we are so compatible. They love just talking to me. They love just staring into my eyes. They love my scent. They love how healthy our relationship is. They love kissing me. They love touching me. They love that they get to be in an amazing relationship with me. They love that we have the same goals in life. They love me to the moon and back. They plan on loving me for the rest of our lives. They love giving me exactly what I want, exactly when I need it. They love going above and beyond my expectations. They love giving me what I want. They love spoiling me. They love giving me all of their attention. They love me because I am the love of their life. Type, they love me because I am the love of their life. To affirm this meditation, listen to this as many times as you can. The more you listen, the swifter the results. And if you want your desired person obsessed with you, let me help you by manifesting them for you. It is really easy to get super fast results. All you have to do is click the link in the description box below or head to joybyjanell.com. I have now manifested love for thousands of my clients, and I can manifest your specific person's love for you today. I hope you have an amazing day and enjoy listening to this next meditation.